On vrm24.com, repair of the day, Samsung Galaxy M51 won't charge after a fall. Our first step is disassembling the phone. And we already know that this model, like similar ones, often has connectors and external contacts that break due to poor design. Next step is to inspect the connectors on the subboard and on the interboard cable. Visual inspection shows that everything is in order. After that, we inspect the connector on the main board and on the interboard cable at the top. It is evident that both connectors are damaged and need replacement. Our fourth step is preparing the new connectors. We set hot air on soldering station to 330 degrees Celsius or 625 degrees Fahrenheit, medium airflow, and proceed with replacing the damaged interboard cable connector. Finally, we replace the connector on the main board. We replace the connector and additionally solder the outer contacts to increase the reliability of the connection. In the end, we perform a work check. We reinstall the board and connect the phone to the charger. The tester shows that the device charges normally in all modes. So mission accomplished. Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.